In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-powered slides in Genspark with guide mode. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a polished slide deck using Genspark's built-in guidance. First, open Genspark and sign into your account. A quick tip before you start. Have a clear topic in mind and a few key points or notes handy. Even a short paragraph about your main idea, who the presentation is for, and what outcome you want will help the AI build a stronger deck. Once you're in, head to AI Slides and start a new presentation. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the workflow kick off, and in many cases, you'll be offered guide mode. If it appears, choose guide mode. It's designed to walk you through the creation process with thoughtful prompts so you don't have to guess what to include. From here, follow the guided prompts step by step to shape the deck. Think of it like a conversation with an assistant who's trying to understand your message. Be specific and direct in your answers. Mention your audience, the tone you want, professional, educational, or persuasive, and any constraints like length or emphasis. Clear inputs lead to clearer slides. When asked, add your topic, your goals, and any source material you want the AI to reference. This could be a short brief, key bullet points, a summary of research, or links to credible materials you're allowed to use. If you include data or quotes, note the source so the AI can reflect it accurately. Keep your language simple and concise. The system can expand on it, but crisp information helps it stay on track. Now let Genspark build the presentation based on your guided inputs. It may take a moment while it assembles the structure, drafts headlines, proposes talking points, and suggests visuals. Don't worry if the first version isn't perfect. You're about to refine it. Review and edit the final deck before saving or exporting. Read through each slide for clarity and accuracy. Tighten headlines so they're action-oriented, trim any redundancy, and make sure the flow from introduction to conclusion makes sense for your audience. Adjust design elements to match your style, and verify any facts or figures against your sources. Once you're happy, save your work and export in your preferred format for sharing or presenting. That's it. You've used Genspark's AI Slides with guide mode to turn your ideas into a clean, compelling presentation.